should I zip your thingy? Your, like this? Okay. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Welcome my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
My name is Yogi.
My name is Yogi.
Hi guys, my name is Baby. Hi guys, my name is Yogi.
Okay.
Hi guys. Channel.
Okay.
Bonji.
Your name is Yogi.
Yogi. Mommy.
Yebo.
What's the best? My color this
Tomato sauce as well.
We were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us. But oh, how we got burned.
Pizzas are really small. I thought like they're a bit big. Huh? You know these pita breads? I bought mini ones thinking these can be for most of us because I wanted to put like chicken, you know, with mayo and cheese. But they're so tiny.
Baby, you and me were so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me were so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck forever. But I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is. Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. space. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you when I can.
To behold you as my king, for your glory. Guys, I don't know, but today it's just been one of those days. I've been in bed. I literally just had my first meal now, and it's 4 o'clock. I'm actually watching Mandy and Ongeza's collab.
I'm hoping because the law.
So yeah, that song has just been like close to my heart. For your glory, God, because a lot of things don't make sense at the moment, but I believe that everything happens for a reason. I believe everything happens for a reason, and it's for His glory. It's for His glory at the end of the day. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna include that part because as I was sitting up, I've been seeing it actually for a while. I was like, let me just put on my camera because yeah, guys, I have a lot of stuff that's just sitting. And actually my husband got me just over a month ago these things, and they've been sitting, and I just saw them now, and I just wanted to share. He got them for me when he was coming back from Mauritius. Yeah, he got me this book. It's written The Path Made Clear, Discovering Your Life's Direction and Purpose by Oprah Winfrey. Wow, guys, discovering your life's direction and purpose. This is so fitting. Like, this is so fitting. You guys you'd remember that I went to the Sarah Jakes Activate SA, and they were talking about identity and just starting, and the coast is clear. And I do feel like this book sort of does like go along with that, and with what I went through recently. I've just had like a lot of questions, and I feel like this will assist me. So yeah, thank you so much for my hubby. I'm excited. I don't have any of Oprah's books. The Path Made Clear, The Coast is Clear. That was the title of the message. Guys, when I say God is in the neighborhood, when I say God is at work, because obviously when my husband bought this, he didn't know that I would read it. Okay, hubby, when my hubby bought this book, he didn't know that I would, yeah. Okay, so yeah, he bought this on the show. Can't be the date, but the price is $3.95. And then he got me this lint and chocolate, guys. Can you believe I've kept this over a month? Strawberries and cream, white chocolate. Definitely gonna need these for the pain. For the pain and tears. Yeah, I'm grateful, man. Grateful. Let's see, I don't know what else I want to do. Guys, like my old house, we had a lot of cupboard space. Some of you might have seen the empty house video vlog that I made when we were moving out, and there was literally there was 2 big cupboards in the main bedroom. There was a big cupboard in the guest bedroom, a big cupboard in wardrobe in Zuzu's room. There were wardrobes on the foyer. So they coming from home, because at home I think I had 1 wardrobe and I had 1 chest of drawer, and because of the limited space, I would always miss my baby.
We fall down and get back up.
Ooh, guys, you heard that? Suzu says when we fall down, we get back up. And that's so true, my baby. That is so true. That's actually what Sarah Jakes said. Guys, another side. That's what Sarah Jakes Roberts said. She kept saying, like, if you start something, if you fail, you get up again. And Zuzu just said it now. You guys, I think you definitely heard him. Open the door. You wanna go outside, your brother? Yeah, open the door.
My baby and mommy.
You're Zuzu, close the door for baby and mommy. But do you know how to open the door? Open so mommy can see. Open that door. You don't know how to open it? Open it. Open it. Where's mommy's phone? Bring it. Zuzu left it there. Bring mommy's phone. So mommy can switch off. He was watching something on my phone. Guys. Where was I? Oh, it's okay. I was telling you about my wardrobe. So back home, I had one wardrobe and one chest of drawer, and it wasn't enough for the clothes that I have. So what I used to do back home is, every time the season changed, I would, like, if it was winter, I'd unpack my winter clothes from suitcases, and I'll pack my, I'd change. If it's summer, I'm picking the winter ones away. I'm picking the summer ones away, just so I can have enough space. And then when we moved to our previous house, we had enough space, so I could fit in all of my stuff in all the cupboards. And this house definitely doesn't have like enough cupboard space. Not all the rooms have cupboards, wardrobes. The wardrobes I don't like. That's definitely one of the things I want to change. So I think I probably need to do that, because everything on mine is squashed. Like, it's not looking cute. It's not looking cute at all. So I think maybe I should start doing that. But now it's still cold. There's some days are really cold, so I can't really pick away the winter stuff. So maybe I should wait another month or so before I pack away the winter stuff. Yeah, my battery is flashing, so we will talk. We will talk, you guys. Hey, my baby. Let me just continue watching Ongezwa and Mandy. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm having some Doritos. I'm struggling also with food. I feel like I can't taste anything. But then anyway, like I don't know, she's from Lesotho, so they believe in these like different meds. She says I need to drink something for the heartache. I don't know, I didn't even know such exists, but apparently food won't taste like, until I'm okay, food will. Okay guys, we'll chat.
I wish I had the same delusion that I did when I was 2.
They have ice cream
that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew. Like she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong.
ke shebile funeral ya ga Sisi. O bone gating, my kids.
Gating.
Le Kenny kunen.
Makwini.
Makwini ke mang kan?
Makwini. Premier first stage.
Oh, okay.
O tsentse le photo le tla le lentse. Ka di braille. Ntho. Motsuwa le kota.
I get a neck chronic sumulang.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome to a new day. Today is a Sunday and I just show you what we had for lunch, guys. Your energy over there. But okay, at least we are done eating, we are fed. I'm just wearing this bodycon dress today. Hey. I'm obviously wearing connecting shapewear, but this is me today and I'm wearing my Crocs. I really like this bodycon dress. I like this bodycon dress. I am watching Funeral back home. If you are from Bloem, know Twilight, the funeral home you had. Papa Zandi both divorced in them. Papa Zandi's wife OCCC passed away, so Mrs. CC passed away. So I was watching and I just saw because I'm only watching Naran, which it was today. I think I just forgot also. And I'm watching and I'm seeing Gator Mackenzie walk in. Our new minister working sports, arts and culture. He's with Kenny Kunene, you know, the business partners. Kenny Kunene was also like a teacher. I remember back in the day in Bloem. I think he was a teacher for calculus. And I was actually saying to my husband that Gaten Mackenzie, I think the first time I saw him, he was actually like wearing prison clothes. You know, like back in the day, you used to get prisoners and stuff to just come talk to the learners at school and just warn them about like their choices in life, etc. So that's the first time I saw Gator Mackenzie. But also he was my teacher's, he is my former teacher's brother. So I went to Hida Premier and one of my teachers, my grade 5 teacher, her name is Sharon Mackenzie. She is his sister, I think his older sister. Yeah, I think she's older than him. So yeah, that's how I knew she was used to talk about her brother a lot. And obviously her brother is just like, become famous over the years. And I remember when he was released in prison and how he got released back then. And yeah, I mean, it's nice, I guess. And Gebo Papa Zandi, from the same area where Gaten is from, which is in Hededal. And the funeral parlor is literally like a few streets away from where he grew up. So it makes sense. And the Botwai big family in Bloem. So yeah, so my mom is just mentioning now the other people that are there. So yeah, guys, I'm just chilling with the boys. My hubby's in bed and then he's showering. This weather is so confusing. It's a bit windy, a bit cold, but not too much. So you can't be like wearing summer stuff, but also you can't be wearing thick winter things. And my house is cold, so hence the long sleeve. Yeah, are they starting to fight? One thing about my kids, they will fight. But I thought I'd just say hi. How you doing? Hope you guys are good. And we'll talk later. Look, here's Zukai. What are you guys doing?
I'm taking a lot of.
I don't take a lot, Maneki. Where are those other guys? Where's Daddy and Yongi coming? Myself and Zuzu were running.
This one now.
Huh?
This one.
Hi guys, welcome to a new day. I am about to exercise with the boys. I'm gonna go to the Lapa. I initially thought I'd do something on TV like the King of Squats, but I don't know, Suzu refused for me to do it on TV, and I was like, okay, I'll go exercise on the lapa. But now they decided that they're gonna follow me to the lapa. So I don't know, but it's a bit dark in there, guys. I don't know if I'll try to show you what we get up to, but come with us. Maybe let me take my camera, because I'm vlogging with my phone. Let me take my camera and I'll try to take like something something for you guys to enjoy the next segments. I'm trying to figure out how this speaker works, my husband's speaker. So I think it's on. Okay, switching off, switch it on again. Okay. Bluetooth. Let's see. Wait, Papa. I was watching Bukeka just now. Wait, Papa. How beautiful is this thumbnail? Wait, Papi. Wait. How beautiful, guys. So gorgeous. Yes. Yes. Hey, let me put you guys down here while I figure out how to connect this thing.
Marching in place. So you stand up tall right behind your step. Just let the arms swing naturally.
I'll be using this, guys.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, turned up this gold. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay.
All done.
Right.
Are you also exercising, Papa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Check.
Yes.
We'll do this one. Let's do this one. 10. Baby.
Yeah. Is you guys just doing that?
You can do it. Look, you jump, you turn, you hold here, you kick, and up,
That's the one I need, Jim. Nah.
back, and turn, and hold, and kick, and up, and down. You do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold, kick, up, jump over. Yeah, hold, kick, forward, up, and back the other side.
Me.
Which what, Tizzy?
Got some
You
swing.
don't know. Yeah, 6. You're almost there. We're going to 10. Let's
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say I don't wanna wait.
Guys, I just came back from Pep Home. And Pep Home is not good for us because we finish our money. I'm just applying my lip oil from Essence. I did show you guys after I got it. These were not so quickly. I want to have a color. It's so good. I love it so much.
I know, I can't 70 rand. Yeah.
Because I went to okay, but I want that new one, the plump one from Maybelline. I saw it on Zizi Moloko's Instagram. I want it, guys. I wonder how much it is. Guys, okay, I lay by it. We lay by it. I lay by it. You don't lay by it. But I bought I bought some stuff cash as well, so I'll show you guys now. Yeah, let's start. The first thing I got are these essential oils, fragrance burner oil. That's what they're called. This is how they look. We have 7 minutes left on the memory card, so let's try to finish. How much are these? $29.99. Actually, on I think today, was it Yanela? She's a loyal Sabi. She'll say in the comment section that Pep and Ackermans needs to start working with me because I buy too much from their stores. And I went to Pep Home again. So yeah, there's 3 of them. I can't see now because my eyes. The one is written Calm, Balance, and NH. I don't know if the names of the fragrances are written. Okay, the Calm one is written Rose and Peony burner oil. The Balance is written lemon and vanilla, and the energy is written coconut and milk. This is how they look. Maneki. No. Don't cry. The next thing I got is this. I know it's in Turkey when you go Shein. Oh, I get for but I think or maybe it's like can you not try it out? Don't try it away. Guys, the next item is this longer length satin sleep cap. It was $39.99. I'm thinking when I have braids, this will work better. But this is how it looks. Yeah, and then the braids, that's how it looks, guys. So you put it on here, and then your braids will be here at the bottom. How cute! Yeah, each one exactly actually.
Maybe the
braids. Next, I have a shower cap. I feel like the one that I have is a bit big for and it's just my natural hair. So I got an extra one. This is $7.99. Next is this brush. Please wait. Okay, anyway, it's a brush, but I thought of when I saw this is what convinced me. This thing at the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. Why could you placemat? Oh. And then I got this storage labels. It has, this is what it has. It has for underwear, bottom, top, socks, accessories, towels, medicine bag, pants, sauce, cup, dish. Underwear, bottom, top. Okay, same. Pants, pot. Oh, pants, pot, tool, oil, fry pan, bowl. Yeah. This is what it has inside basically. So if you need storage labels, these were $19.99 on sale. Next is this steel scorer. Steel thread. Oh yeah, and then this says have a nice day. Someone else wanted this. And I thought this will be cute for me too if I'm drinking water or whatever. And then she'll drink something else clearly. And this thing. Can I want to go pizza house? Yongama! I can do coffee for a change. I can do coffee for a change. She bought 2 of these. You guys would have seen this in one of my other videos. I got her 2 initially and she added another 2 for herself. So these are 2. This is $26.99. I didn't tell you the price. Copy. Now I'm gonna have to change my memory card here. $22.99. Sorry for the kids, guys. And then she got this as well. I also have 2 of these that I got from Cape Home years ago. Guys, Yongama is in his crying era. He cries for everything. Now he was crying. I went to ask him why is he crying. He says he wants to get off the bike. Like, I don't know why he doesn't try to get off by himself and why he doesn't ask. He just starts crying. Anyway, I also got this towel. It's 54.99 and it's black. I just got it for the guest bathroom. I don't like how the hand towels look now. I had gotten something for the bathroom but it's white and I don't think it's really practical. I got it from Shein. Shein. What's the price in there? This is how big it is, this towel. I feel like it's big enough for I don't know about the quality. Why is it see-through? I can sort of see through. Maybe it's not the best quality, but it will do for now. It's just for hands anyway. And last but not least, the nanny suggested I buy this blanket for Zuzu. Now that it's gonna be spring, summer. It was on sale for 100. This was 200. She said to me it's 110, 120. You didn't see, guys. No wonder it's so expensive. No wonder I paid 500. Sayani, give 200 to this thing. Let me change the memory card quickly. Okay, guys, I just changed the memory card. This one has more space. We thought this is 120 or someone thought this is 120 and I didn't check the price. I took her word for it. Now I've learned my lesson. This is 200, guys. Home choice the blanket it's also for price again.
Never.
Actually, okay, when I put it some money home trends, there are one special. How I keep it the cover, better do it, but you grab my room, I can't the price of the shine. So, I know I'll check on your website and keep the also on your hand for I can little more website okay, I'll check there.
I can't wait to move on.
I wonder, I lost a rake, but about phone, like the sales, Nini Babata who is called.
I have a photo of it.
Mazimba. One younger. Mazimba, which I really must believe. But it's a printed mink blanket, guys. It's a king. Single size. It's for Zuzu. Yeah, I think that's about it. Hey guys, also let me tell you. I was saying to my husband, I was joking, saying that what wait. Oh, okay, what pleasure. I was saying to my husband that now I need to look presentable when I go out because But yeah, I ran into someone. The lady works at the pep home there. She was like, "Are you famous?" And I'm like, "Famous?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "Are you known?" I'm like, "Known." And I wasn't trying to be rude, guys, obviously, but to me, I'm like, famous. Am I known? To me, it doesn't make sense. Then she's like, "Are you known on social media? Like, do you have a follow? Are you famous on Instagram?" And I'm like, no, because I'm thinking I don't have big numbers, guys, but I do have a bit of a following. Oh, nice. Let me show you guys and I'll continue. Oh, nice. Yeah, let me tell you. Oh, I wanna how bad. Let me put this here and check. Oh, nice. It feels so nice. Wow. Zuzu, look. A blanket, Maneki. Yes. It's nice, actually. Very, very nice. Sure, it's nice. No, this is worth it, actually.
Yeah.
It's worth it, guys. Definitely worth it. Yeah, no. Okay, yeah, no. It's nice. Okay, guys, that's what yeah. So she asked me, like, am I known on Instagram? And I'm like, And then she's like, YouTube. I'm like, oh yeah, I have a channel. So she's like, I'm like, are you subscribed? She says she doesn't know, but she can see that I look familiar. She's seen me on the social summit. So I'm like, yeah, maybe you've seen my channel, or maybe you've seen me on other people's channels, or whatever. So it was obviously nice. And I'm like, okay, it's Ganilo Mioli. Maybe she subscribed and she doesn't know, because even me, I'm subscribed to like a lot of people, and sometimes I can't keep up, or sometimes you know someone's face and you don't know the name. So yeah, let me show my mom the blanket, and so now I must look presentable. Guys, I'm kidding. Here we go. Guys, here is the diffuser that I said we've had. Actually, I don't think we've ever used it. That's how it looks. Just put on some light for it. So let me just do this. Yeah, then just open it, and it has some like max. You can put the water here, and then it does have like these things. Air outlets. Okay, I don't know where are those buttons, guys. Here at the bottom. So let's try those essential oils. Where is the mix, guys? Can't wait to see. Just let my love, just let my love adorn you. It's big. Can I use one of these? You gotta know. Calm it. Okay, we need some calmness for now, so I'll use this. It doesn't say how many drops to put, so I'll just put in a few. I don't know. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's cover it, and okay, let's plug it in. Plug. It has this adapter thing. I hope it's working, but why wouldn't it work? Guys, is this the diffuser that we had on as a light for Yongama, for Zukanyi? I think it might be that one. It means it's not working. Isn't this the... but my husband has another diffuser. It's not... Hey, this is the one that we had as a light for Zuzu when he was small. Actually, let me just make sure for my hubby. Oh yeah, it's working. What is this? Oh, it still works! It still works! Hubby?
Yeah.
Isn't this the thing we had on for Zuzu, the night light?
Which one?
This one. When did you have this one?
The Zeus.
But it stopped working, remember?
Oh, it's working now.
Yeah.
It's the one that you could link to a Bluetooth thing.
Yes. I just put some essential oils here. So what is this? Music.
Yeah, I remember you used to play music.
But so how do you make the oils work now?
There was an app, I remember. You linked it to it. I thought it broke.
It broke.
Which one is that upper? Yeah, it's this one.
Oh, it changes colors. Oh. But where's your other? You got an oil, diffuser, remember, as a gift?
Yeah, IoT.
Is it in your wardrobe? Look, have a look. Oh.
Okay, let me change dramatically.
Mommy, let me see. Who bought it?
Mommy and Daddy, when you
What this guy?
But how do we?
The aim was to have white noise. And
Yes, white noise, ne? But where does the diffuser thing work now? Oh! There we go.
is this another one? I don't remember this part. Isn't this IoT one? Really?
Part.
But wait, Suzu.
It's the other part.
I think this is the IoT one.
Wait, my baby. So what is happening, guys?
Where are you, Tizzy?
Can you smell? Wait, Suzu. Woo! Look, Harvey.
You can smell it.
See, it's coming.
Should I cover it?
Opened it.
Smells nice.
It smells nice. Can I spill the water?
See! I can't see.
Get off. Get off.
Guys, look, it's working.
Let me see! What are you saying?
It's working. Yeah, you can.
IoT one.
Mommy, open it, my daughter can see. Mommy, open it.
Maybe, no, but you have another one. That's sort of like
my daughter can see.
You have another one also.
Fire.
Maybe you've been given two diffusers, okay? We have another smaller one, but it's wood like this.
Oh, yeah, I think that's the IoT one.
Mama, come and see. Come and see. Mama, come and see.
It smells so good.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your